Good morning everybody, Calm Biker here. I just left the BMW dealership at the end of my last video. Still with Dave behind me and Chris and Steve. And we're heading off now to the place that we have actually come to visit. Hopefully to fly the drone around, but we'll see. Off to a place in Lincolnshire still. It's called the Stump. And it used to be a church. It was a 15th century church, and slightly unusually they decided a couple of hundred years or so after it was built that not only was it in the wrong place, but also that it was subsiding and sinking into the ground. So something that you can't imagine happens very often, they decided to move it. Now we're off to see the bit they didn't move, so they moved the body of the church and left the tower behind. And the tower now is a Grade 1 listed building that is sinking into the ground and leaning slightly to one side. I don't know how obvious it'll be about it leaning, but we'll see. But it is just the tower that's left, and it looked quite photogenic, quite interesting to go and have a look at. And Chris does seem to like his little churches. Now this I don't think was a little church, but it's certainly not big now that the main part of it is gone. So I'm going to go and have a look at it via a few lanes that don't count towards my lanes challenge because they're in the wrong county. I wonder if the three behind me will notice that I missed a turning, and that we turned off this road, went through a village, and now we're back on this road. Sorry chaps. You should know better than to let me lead the way. I just have to not go past my turning again because it's just up here. That would be bad. I'll do it twice. You don't want to put a wheel down one of those potholes. Don't know about potholes, they're more like craters. You turn out of those little lanes onto roads like this and you think, oh, I'm on a big road now, but I suppose in the grand scheme of things this is still quite a small road. They've made it a racetrack. Boo! Kia Picanto slowing us down on the racetrack. I was enjoying that. Those turbines are not good sign for drone flying weather. Spinning rather quickly. This road has been squashed by tractors. That's quite fun. You've got camber, a heck of a lot of camber with you on the turns. Maybe not on that one. That's a bit rough. A little bit of dual carriageway. The exhaust on this bike does love to pop and bang. Even with there it goes again. Even with the baffle in, it sounds rather loud. Pop, 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 pop. You're an idiot bird. this is a bumpy road. Yeah, that's this road has gone beyond fun camber into probably quite dodgy at speed. The centre section of a lane shouldn't cast a shadow on the side of the lane, should it? Now I can see a tower in these trees. This has to be the one, surely. Yep, that's the one. I know you like to see a church. I couldn't get you a full one.
It's like a folly, isn't it?
Yeah, it used to be a church though.
Yeah, I read the blurb that you said.
Not sure if it's a little bit too windy. Dave's got a better drone than me. He's about to take his up, so hopefully he'll get a video, even if I can't, because mine can't deal with the wind like his can. But if his work's alright, I might send mine up. Strange place though, isn't it? This used to be the door. They bricked it up, but this used to be the door. And can I show you how high it is now? It's at head height, the top of it. But yeah, it's sunk. So it's bricked up and sunk into the ground. This is where the rest of the church used to be, I guess. A bit where there are no graves. And some broken off walls. The crows don't sound too happy about us being here. I'm going to watch you take off. See if it blows away. It's the Mini 2. That's a bit of a worry, aren't they? So that was the Stump. Hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching everyone. Ride safe. And I'll talk to you all again soon.